Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drone cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera for beginners and adults. Priced at just $44.99, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list, and it's perfect for those who are new to drones. With features like voice control, gesture selfies, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff, it's designed to make flying as simple as possible. The inclusion of 2 batteries gives you up to 24 minutes of flight time, which is decent for a drone at this price point. The Hiturbo drone is lightweight, foldable, and compact, making it easy to carry around. Its 1080p camera can manually adjust the angle, allowing you to capture both horizontal and vertical shots. While the camera quality isn't professional grade, it's good enough for casual photography or inspecting hard-to-reach places. However, the Wi-Fi connectivity for live streaming could be more robust as it limits your range to about 50 meters. Setup is user-friendly, but beginners should pay close attention to calibration steps to ensure smooth flight. Overall, this drone is best suited for beginners or kids who want an affordable and fun way to get started with aerial photography. The lack of advanced stabilization and limited range are trade-offs for the price, but it remains an excellent entry-level choice. At number 4, we have the Otter drone with camera, another budget-friendly option priced at $44.99. This drone offers a range of fun and practical features, including trajectory flight, gravity control, 3D flips, and a 1080p HD camera with a remote adjustable angle. What sets it apart is its upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning, which ensure a more stable flight experience compared to other drones in this price range. The Otter drone is well built and comes with a carrying case, making it highly portable. It also includes 2 batteries that provide up to 28 minutes of combined flight time. The user-friendly controls, such as one-key takeoff landing and altitude hold, make it a great choice for beginners. However, some of its features, like gesture photo and app-controlled flight modes, may feel a bit gimmicky to advanced users. While the camera quality is decent for casual use, it lacks the clarity needed for professional photography. This drone is perfect for casual flyers and beginners who want an affordable, feature-packed drone for recreational use. The stable flight capabilities and fun flight modes make it a solid option, but the limited camera resolution and basic build quality keep it from climbing higher on our list. Coming in at number 3 is the Loyally drone with camera for adults. Priced at $49.99, this drone offers a step up in camera quality with a 2K HD camera capable of remote angle adjustment. This feature enhances your ability to capture clear and crisp photos and videos, whether you're documenting a special event or just enjoying the view. The drone also features optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and a gravity sensing controller, making it easy to fly and highly stable. The Loyally drone is compact and foldable, making it a great travel companion. It comes with 2 batteries that provide up to 26 minutes of flight time. The build quality is solid for the price, although not as durable as premium models. The intuitive controls and beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff and headless mode make it a great choice for new pilots. However, the range of the Wi-Fi transmission is limited, and the drone lacks GPS functionality, which could be a downside for more advanced users. If you're looking for an affordable drone with better camera quality and stable flight performance, the Loyally drone is an excellent option. It's ideal for casual users and beginners who want to capture higher quality videos without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Bilinori drone with camera for adults, priced at $79.99. This drone represents a significant upgrade with its GPS functionality, 2K HD camera, and advanced flight modes like Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Fly. The 5G real-time transmission ensures smooth and stable video streaming, while the GPS auto-return feature provides peace of mind by bringing the drone back home when it loses signal or runs low on battery. The Blinnery drone is lightweight, foldable, and equipped with brushless motors that deliver smoother, quieter, and more efficient flights. With 2 batteries offering a total of 32 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of opportunities to explore and capture stunning aerial footage. The inclusion of features like optical flow positioning and gesture selfies make it user-friendly for beginners, yet its advanced capabilities also cater to more experienced pilots. However, the camera, while excellent for its price, still falls short of professional-grade quality. This drone is ideal for users who want a balance of affordability and advanced features. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or experimenting with creative shots, the Blinnery drone provides excellent value and performance for its price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Mini 4K, the ultimate drone on this list, and priced at $299. The DJI Mini 4K is a game changer for aerial photography, featuring a 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for unmatched cinematic quality footage. With a range of up to 10 kilometers and intelligent flight modes like quick shots and GPS return to home, this drone offers professional-level performance in a compact, lightweight package. Despite its advanced features, the DJI Mini 4K is beginner-friendly thanks to one-tap takeoff/landing, stable hovering, and in-app tutorials. Its wind resistance and brushless motors ensure reliable performance even in challenging conditions. With a single battery providing up to 31 minutes of flight time, you can capture breathtaking shots without worrying about frequent recharges. The build quality is top-notch, as expected from DJI, and the under 249 grams weight exempts it from FAA registration requirements for recreational use. This drone is perfect for enthusiasts and professionals who demand the best in camera quality, flight performance, and intelligent features. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the DJI Mini 4K justifies its price with premium features and exceptional reliability, making it the top choice for anyone serious about drone photography. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.